Yo, welcome on back. So, I went ahead and placed the vestige seed right here. All I really did was go from the vestige and walk down and, place it right here. Just because we're about to get the, the blacksmith. So, yeah, continuing on. Like I said, for like the millionth time, we got 2 achievements left, bro. So, we're the best. We're the go. Trust up. So this weapon, honestly, it's kind of bad, bro. Not gonna lie. Like, if I were to just switch to this, a little bit of the difference. So I'm already just better. Like, as a matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do for the time being. I don't know, we'll like dual wield them, why not? I think that's like the best. Yeah. Bowl of Revelations. I think that's what we need to claim remembrance, right? I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think. Yeah, I'm doing much more damage, and we're inflicting 2 status effects at once. We're doing Ignite and Frostbite, so that's definitely a lot more efficient. And I don't really block much anyway, so yeah. I want to say that's everything, but I'm not certain on that. As long as I just get the radiant ending and kill a deer, I'm satisfied, to be honest with you guys. So, I'm gonna try my best to explore everything, but without a guide, I'm probably gonna miss quite a few things. So, yeah. One, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That should. No, it doesn't even reach him. Are you serious right now, bro? Like. Alright. Do we emerge from Umbral now? The Book of Sin is not till quite a bit, so you should be able to just emerge and kick down the plank. Ooh, we're chilling. We're chilling. Dude, honestly, I don't know why people complain about this game. I mean, just look at this, bro. This is honestly a W game. Like, it is. It really is. Let me just double check. Yeah, we're recording. Okay. I always have to double check. So, bye-bye. 60 damage. If I were to just use this, we are doing. Well, that's because he had Umbra on him. I don't know, honestly. Forget it, I don't really care. Just trying to make sure that's everything. We gotta jump down, get that free W death blow. Pow! Bop. Bop. Alright, this part I always end up dying in. So I'm gonna just take these guys. He has a parasite. I want to say, I wanted to try to jump attack him. Dude, Umbral is actually really fun, especially because we can mess with Radiance and Inferno. Like we have like the most build variety out of any build, 100%. I want to soul flame, bro, but like, it might be. Yeah, we need more endurance, 100%, bro. I'm not gonna soul flame him because we're cracked at the game, bro. We're just gonna hit him with this, just in case he hits us. It won't hurt. Alright, we might need to soul flame him. I'm kind of scared. There we go. We got the frostbite proc. So I'm pretty sure we have to open this door, but let me just, yeah, Alright. Oh yeah, we're getting so much more health now as well. Like, a good amount of health you get. Ooh, actually, it's not that big of a difference, but yeah, it's better than nothing. But this should give us the Book of Sin, so now I don't need to worry if I miss anything, you know. But let's take this little guy out. Bye-bye. And let's pop this bad boy. There we go. I mean, you know what? The more bigger, the merrier. So let's just take them on out, you know. Pop. Bro, I just watched this show. I'm watching a show called One Piece, bro. I'm like on episode 300 something, and like, dude, or no, 405, I think, bro. The crew, they like all disappeared, man. Alright, so opening this up is good, you know, because we're now inside the area, you know, that I want to be. Bro, what? What was that? Bro, just hit me like 30 times. How many seedlings do we have? If we have like a lot of seedlings, nah. We need to save up because we don't get much to like late game. So, yeah. I mean, can we one-shot him? Yes. You know, we weren't able to one-shot him with an RB attack, so that's good. There we go. This is literally my favorite area in the entire game. Because our homie is right there, bro. But before we talk to him, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy. And... Damn sentinels. Alright, we're gonna take him out. Or not. Like, you wanna go, bro? So I don't know how we're gonna do this. There is a umbral exit like right there. Let's just climb down this ladder. Oh, that is a free. No. There we go. Bop. Bam. Oh, please don't tell me the key is bugged. Oh no. Okay, that was, dude, I was about to go insane, bro. I was like, is the key bugged? Like, how am I gonna get my blacksmith, bro?
Damn sentinels.
This guy is the goat. So a lot of people don't know this, but if you're watching this, when you hand it over, see the loot right there? You just quit out. And we should be able to get it. So, yeah. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. So now the door is open and we can grab some goodies. Let's go. Honestly, I don't think I need a rest. Actually, no, we're gonna go in Umbro. That door. Let me see. How do we open this again? Plug in perch key. I think that leads to. Honestly, I forgot. But I think there's like a pendant in there, if I'm not mistaken. there's that. And now we just climb up the ladder, get the shortcut, and I'm probably gonna fight the boss before upgrading my gear. Cause like, you know, yeah, we're gonna upgrade our gear. I was debating what I should use, honestly. The Pale Eye Shield is a very good shield this early on. I mean, 52 Wither, 34 Holy, 34 Fire. That's nice. This thing just has more attack power. Although the scaling is worse with my build. You know, I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what I want to use, but
I'm just used on it.
let's just go to Skyrest and we'll figure it out. You know, no need to stress ourselves. I mean, we should have an infinite of small and mediums, like, pretty soon. Large, it's kind of annoying because you're limited on those, but, I guess we can get the Putrid Child Sword up. I mean, I don't see why not. I'll get this up. I don't think we get a new one for a while. I want to say we don't. So, I'll just get up my main weapon and then, you know, yeah. You again.
Speak, she's look left.
Galinda, you would.
You know,
So I'm gonna, like, when we complete their quest, I'm gonna probably give,
As I would, I
you
will
know,
not even upon pay.
Gerlinda hit, because I'm not really trying to plan the game. It's just better. But honestly, I forgot where all 3 the rune sockets are. We're gonna need to really be careful with how we're exploring, because I don't want to miss that. But we can get, oh, C-. Look at that. Yes, 100% we want that up. We can get descaling and strength and just more physical damage. Yes, sir. Okay. And I'm probably gonna get the catalyst up. Bro, I'm not really sure though, like, what I should get up. Because this is just gonna increase it, like, the physical damage. Actually, no, just this one, yeah. There we go. That's enough. I'm probably not gonna put many upgrades, because I'm obviously not 100% certain on what I want to use or upgrade, but for the time being, this works perfectly. So, we can upgrade, and we can now hand over Exactor. I think his name is the Exactor, right? We can hand over the books.
And into you.
While leaving the all facets of two fellow, one, the other, when she stood the council, an apparat, Harwood, a fitting plate, whatever, for they are nothing, whatever.
Alrighty, finally,
you serve a higher purpose, Crusader.
this weapon honestly might be better to dual wield with, just because, I don't know, why not, you know.
Strive in darkness, in light.
Yeah. Let me just hand over the Bowl of Revelations real quick, because I think we can expand his marketplace. So, I just offer remembrances. Oh yeah, it's offer. Yeah. Well, since I'm doing a Umbral build, I don't think Pieta's sword would be a bad idea. I mean, it works out, you know.
chosen bearer of the lamp.
Summon Umbral Guardian type
Like
any
you, I
enemies within your
serve.
range. Umbral magic. Imbue your weapon with poison. Okay. 52 mana cost is crazy though, so, and we don't even have the requirements for it, so, you know, this guy is going to be chilling for quite some time, so, you know, it's fine. Anyways, let's go back to the bell room and take on the boss. I'm not sure if we want to take on Congregator of the Flesh, just because I feel like I'm gonna get my butt absolutely whooped, so I don't know. But we should be doing so much more damage. I mean, this thing got C-scaling already, so hopefully we're doing more damage. I don't know. Yeah, why not? Let me see how much damage we're doing. There we go. Okay, we're finally doing viable damage. Like, finally, man. That actually took so long, though. But, the reason why I have it leveled up is because I kind of want to purchase something. Like, right now. I think, I'm not sure if she sells the ring yet, but she'll eventually sell a ring I can buy. If you don't know who I'm talking about, Damro, she's gonna be right here, you know. Ba, 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 ba.
So, butchers and Adair story. Fuck, name's Damaro. It Adair's cut them down.
Alright, never mind, we can't do it yet. Breathe, yeah, I don't know. Well, hopefully we don't die, cause this boss honestly is kind of a pain. Wither Salt, and it should do it, honestly. Yeah, let's do this. Alright. Late game, these guys are incredibly calming, but that's late game, and by then you'll know how to fight them, you know. As you can see, we're doing good damage, but okay, I'm gonna just soul play her. Forget it, man. She can hit me as much as she wants, but I'm gonna just go like this and miss. All right. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of struggling here, man. You know, I don't know why, but I don't normally struggle with this lady, bro. It's this build, man. I'm telling you, I'm not used to. Okay, what? Alright, well, you're literally dead. Bop. Bop, and we'll finish her with a soul plate. What? Dude, I'm so lost, bro. Dude, look at her health though, like, look at it. You cannot tell me she's not one. Like, yeah. Alright, well, the Sin Piercer sword, is actually kind of nice. Wait, what happened? Why does it look like that? Yeah, there you go. That's how it's supposed to look, bro. Yeah, whatever, I don't care. Alright, well, I think that's it here, yeah. Alright, well, we're gonna end it here, guys. I'm just gonna rest, talk to that one guy, and we're just gonna wrap it up here. So, yeah. Okay, and then he just despawns. Yeah, that's nice. Alright. Actually, you know what? No, let's not fight him. We're gonna die, I just know. So, yeah, that's it for this episode. I'm gonna quickly level up and, yeah, have a good day. And bye.